Okay. Bored at home, morning, afternoon, night, wearing PJ home clothes. So let's go outside. The liquor store is open in Canada, in our area. So we just need to chill out, drink some wine. Tired of watching TV. We drink wine, we go out for a run, we come back home. So let's go. Walk. My thing got broken. Where I keep my phone.
Really?
The video. Of course, everybody knows my Kosi. Kosi's face is not gonna show. Look at us. We're twining. We are twining. Okay. I have my mask. I have my hair wrapped up. I have my hat on. I have my mask. And I'm carrying my own sanitizer anywhere I go. I have to sanitize my hands, wash my hands. I also have my own disposable gloves in my bag because we're going to be pushing some trolleys in the store here. So I am all ready and all prepared. Yes. I want you to really pay attention to something. Canadians are not wearing masks as much as we see in other parts of the world and as much as we see on TV. Like, literally, you don't see anybody. Like, literally, most people are not wearing masks. If you pass 10 people, maybe only 2 people are wearing masks. So we got to the liquor store, wine and spirits. You guys see that? This is the lineup to get into any store, grocery store, any store that is open. You got to line up and you need to maintain your personal distancing. Do you see those red orange hats? Everybody, like, this is the spot for the how do you say that? So this is the personal distance spot. So everybody, I am just inside my car. My son is on the line. So when it gets to my turn, I will just jump off the car and get inside the liquor store. And then when we look ahead on the other side, okay, on the other side is also the dollar store. The lineup is there. Yeah, so let's say 5 people come in and then another 5 people goes in. So that's how they do it, just to make sure that the store is not too crowded. So, yes, I guess a lot of people wants to drink. You just stay home. We just stay home, nothing to do. You watch TV, you eat, and thank God for leaving the liquor store open so that we can just go get some drinks. Yes, and the cops are all over the place. So remember, you don't drink and drive. Yeah, the police are all over the place, so they're watching. So I think we gotta get in now. My son is close to the door, so we have to go get in. Oh my God, guys, LCBO is awesome. When you come into the store, you gotta sanitize your hands first of all. 2 hands, and then
wipes too. We got wipes if you want to disinfect the...
Yeah, oh, okay. So and we're gonna take wipes to clean out their trolley. Okay, we have a wipe. Okay, so you want... Oh, there's a drink that I got here the other time. I don't even remember the name, and I really love it. Let me see what my son wants. Go see, which one do you like? Okay, we got this. This is sanitizing wipes. You gotta wipe out the buggy before you touch that. That's amazing. I'm just gonna hang it here. I really love some Australian wines. Australian wine are not really that dry. God, guys, I didn't know something here. My son just showed me something. When you're buying a wine, check out for the sugar level. Where is the sugar?
This is
Oh,
S right here, 87 grams. Of
oh, 87 grams of a liter, 87 grams of sugar per liter. So you guys just be mindful what you're buying out there. Okay, which one has the lowest sugar content? Because let's see. How about the other rosé? What do they have in them? Let's check this one out. Check the Henkel.
Dry.
But how many grams of sugar does it have?
I don't know. Look at it, huh?
I don't have my glasses.
I don't even know what this means. DS.
We gotta ask.
Dry sugar, maybe. I don't know. Dry sugar.
We gotta find out from them.
Anyways.
So which rosé do you want? Here, this one.
I might just get like a rum or something.
Okay. Okay, why don't you so that we can mix it with Coke, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want like a crown whiskey or something?
Yeah. Okay.
Watch out.
Okay. Crown whiskey.
Crown whiskey.
Okay. And we're gonna get some Coke to mix it up, all right? Okay. Yeah, my son is 20. At least he can drink alcohol and he understands, right? So don't even think that they don't. They do. They are in university and they drink. Why not? So he's helping me out to choose the best ones. I always buy drinks. I really never know that they have some sugar content of the drink on them with like when you are in the store. So guys, I want you to pay attention here. Did you really realize what I was doing? I had a mask on. I was touching my face, even though that I sanitize my hands. My hands keep going on and off my face. Guys, pay attention. Don't hesitate to wash your hands and take a shower once you get home. So we're done from the store, or we're gonna wipe our hands one more again before we leave the store. And I'm going to transfer my camera over here so I can wipe the other hands. Oh, we went to the this is African store. The next step is African store. So we also waited online. It's 5 people go in, 5 people comes out. I think it's the procedure for all the grocery stores. So we waited online, but you know what? When we finally got into the store, we were told not to do videos. So I didn't really get much video or any video in the grocery store. I'm gonna braid your hair.
I'm gonna braid it.
You know how to braid? You have the car key?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna lock the door. We're home. We're back from the shopping. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. What did you do? How are you doing your social distancing, personal distancing, quarantine? If there is something special that you did with your family, share it here and let us talk about it. And what part of this video did you like the most? Did you like the lineup? Did you like the personal distancing at the grocery store, at the grocery store, or at the liquor store? I think I like the one at the liquor store. Yeah, because they have everything set up at the table. Once you come into the store, you're gonna sanitize your hands, and they give you the wipes to wipe the buggy as well. And even when you are leaving, they also offer you sanitizer to cleanse out your hands before you leave the store. So let me know which part of this video that you love the most. Thank you guys. Or do you love me and my Kosi? Kosi is mommy's boy. Yes. Yes. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye-bye. Now we're gonna go and cook. Yes. Woo! I'm going backwards. We gotta go cook in the kitchen. God, guys, I didn't know something here. My son just showed me something. When you're buying a wine, check out for the sugar level. Where is the sugar?
Oh, it's S right here, 87 grams.
Oh, 87 grams of a liter. 87 grams of sugar per liter.